Something massive is happening inside Tesla's Giga Texas, and the world is just starting to notice. Over 60 cybercabs have been spotted outside the factory, and that number keeps climbing every single week. 14 of those units had zero steering wheels, zero pedals. These might be the very first true production cybercabs ever built. No wheel, no pedals, just you, a seat, and a destination. This is what Tesla calls the passenger experience. Priced around $30,000, 200-mile range, the smallest battery Tesla has ever built, yet incredibly efficient. It charges wirelessly through inductive pads, over 90% efficiency. You literally just park it and walk away. Tesla isn't building this car the normal way. They've completely reinvented how cars are made. Traditional factories are chaotic with constant welding and manual labor. Tesla's modular assembly is clean, efficient, and fully automated. 5 giant modules are built simultaneously in parallel, then robots laser guide them together in the final step. This parallel process cuts production time dramatically, ensuring a flawless, high-performance vehicle. This cuts factory floor space by 40% and slashes labor costs by 30%. It's engineering that feels like science fiction. Every car factory has one thing in common: a massive, toxic, expensive paint shop. Tesla just eliminated it entirely. The Cybercab's color is fused directly into the plastic panels during molding. No spray, no ovens, no toxic fumes. The Cybercab uses roughly half the parts of a Model 3. Less parts means less cost and faster builds every 10 seconds. Musk believes the price could actually drop closer to $25,000 as component costs keep falling. That's cheaper than most gas cars. Most cars sit idle 95% of the day. A robotaxi? On the road 60 to 70% of the time. That's money printing on wheels. Tesla's fleet is now testing across multiple states, gathering real-world driving data that no competitor can match. The total robotaxi fleet, including Model Y vehicles, has now surpassed 582 units and is growing fast. Meanwhile, Tesla just completed something massive in the AI chip world. The AI5 chip is officially taped out. This powerhouse features 25 billion transistors for unprecedented speed with efficiency that could outpace NVIDIA's latest. One AI5 chip delivers 5 times the useful compute of 2 AI4 chips combined. That is a generational leap. The announcement sent Tesla stock surging 8% in a single trading session. The market noticed immediately. AI5 won't go to cars first. It's heading straight to Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, to unlock true general-purpose intelligence. Both TSMC and Samsung will manufacture AI5, a dual supplier strategy to reduce risk and maximize output. This partnership ensures a steady supply chain for the AI5 chip. And Tesla isn't stopping. AI6 doubles AI5's performance. AI 6.5 pushes even further, one new chip generation every 9 months. AI6 will be built on Samsung's 2nm process. AI 6.5 moves to TSMC's 2nm node, squeezing every edge possible. Now for the hard truth. The Cybertruck, once hyped to sell 250,000 units a year, is struggling badly. In Q4 2025, SpaceX alone bought 1,279 Cybertrucks. Nearly 1 in 5 sales came from Elon Musk's own companies, not the open market. Sales dropped nearly 50% year over year. The initial hype has faded, and real organic demand hasn't replaced it. Tesla responded with a new $60,000 AWD version, the most affordable yet, trying to pull in mainstream buyers. But the real question is whether price alone can fix it, or if the polarizing design is the deeper problem. Tesla's entire future is riding on the Cybercab, AI chips, and a rumored compact crossover that can't come soon enough. No steering wheel, no driver, no limits. The question isn't whether this future is coming, it's whether you're ready for it.